Emakhosini gogo nabomkhulu, today ngizofuna ukukhuluma ngamaphupho. Let's say somebody othi gogo ngiphupha amaphupho wasesaluni, ngiphupha amaphupho ngigundwa inwele, ngichina inwele. You know, it's all around here. Inwele, guys, they're very sacred. Inwele zinamandla ngendlela esimanga, you know. IBhayibheli lithi amandla kaSamson wayeseyinweleni, and now this woman, in order ukuthi athathe amandla kaSamson, she had to literally wait for Samson, then amkhathe inwele. That's how powerful inwele zingakhona. Inwele, it's your crown. Inwele isembatho ngoba ikhanda lakho esumuntu akufanelanga lihlale lingcunu, ikhanda lakho esumuntu wesifazana akufanelanga libe ngcunu. That's why abantu abasonta esabatheni, they understand the power of awugundi inwele, you know, and nekhanda lakho awuthinta ubani ngoba amakhosi ahlala la. This is your crown, umqhele wakho lona. So if people touch your hair or ikhanda lakho, that's very dangerous. That's why nabantu aba understand isintu bazobe bakutshela ukuthi kwindoda ukuthi ungavuma umuntu wesifazane akuthinta ikhanda. You understand, there's something that happens there if umuntu akuthinta ikhanda. So amaphupho mhlambe uzothi, for instance, mina I once had an intense dream. Ngiye salon, mangifike salon ngiyiswa ulo muntu esalon, kodwa I'm confused ukuthi what am I doing here esalon. And I remember I sat down and bekunomunye ubhuti nosisi, and lo muntu lo utshela lo muntu lo ukuthi angigundi inwele. And this lady apparently was the owner of the salon. She stood up from her chair, wawela phansi, wakhala inyembezi, wathi angikwazi ukumthinta lo muntu inwele, angikwazi. Wathi no mkundi, athi angikwazi ukumthinta lo muntu inwele, ngizobe ngenza iqala elikhulu. You know, makafuna yena ukuthi ngimthinta inwele, makahambe aye police station ayoyenza affidavit, then abuye ngizomthinta inwele. Then I woke up. Do you know that dream was so powerful to the point ukuthi ukukhumbula ukuthi iphoyisa ephupheni, those are your ancestors. So makathi ngibuye ne-affidavit, not just ngibuye ne-affidavit, meaning my ancestors must have it in writing ukuthi vele bayavuma ukuthi ngigundwe inwele, angeke akwazi ukuthi angithinta inwele. You understand? Then I was so happy. So dreams ngeinwele, they are very powerful. They are very, very, very powerful. Uma uphupha umuntu akugunda inwele ephupheni without your consent, or ufila otherwise ephupheni, just know ukuthi bebathwebula amandla akho. But yes, there can be dreams that bagenza inwele esaluni, that you feel good, you look good, maybe your ancestors bebakunikeza amandla, your ancestors. So it depends on the type of dream that you dream. That's why I always say ukuthi amaphupho, it's not one size fit all. In order for me to explain your dream, I have to understand. So angeke uthi usesalon, like with mine I explained ukuthi ngene salon ngingena nomuntu wathi ngihlale phansi watshela lo ukuthi angigunde lo wayenza. So now you get to understand it. Then wakhuluma ngamaphoyisa, then amaphoyisa, they are involved, ancestors are involved. Okay, you understand. So kuningi. So I think people should start paying attention to their dreams and what they actually mean in order to decode the message that they are receiving from amadlozi wabo noma amathonga wabo. Anyways, emakhosini lesedi khanya kamako nibe nelanga elihle, uNkulunkulu namadlozi banibusise, khanye kube mhlophe.